Watu wangapi wataamka asubuhi na mapema mwezi wa 8 kwenda kupiga kura?
Akiaria thukuru-ini wa muthingi wa Baringo mwena wa Kuresoi, First Lady Rachel RUTO ataririe ati urumwe na unyitaniri uria wonanitio ni atongoria AIKARI na ikundi ngurani hari gucokereria mutitu wa Mau ni kionereria kiega kia maundu maria andu mangihota gukinyaniria kuhitukira urumwe.
The Mau forest itself stands as a powerful reminder of what is possible when a nation chooses restoration over destruction. Its protection required vision, courage, and difficult decisions. We acknowledge leaders who have continuously championed its restoration because they understood that protecting our forests was never simply about trees. It was about securing Kenya's future.
Oho agitariria bata munene wa kugitira mutitu uyu kuona ni kimwe kia ihumo cia mai na itemiria guo hari kugitira mihango ya urimi uria uhimbiirio ni AIKARI aingi gicigo-ini giki.
The tree depends on the rain. The river depends on the forest. The farmer depends on the soil. And ultimately, our future depends on how well we care for one another and for the earth we share.
Mwena-ini wake, Mama Aida ODINGA nieranire kunyita mbaru tabarira ino na njira o yothe, akiuga mamwe ma maundu maria makoretwo makiariririo na kuhitukio thiini wa cikaro cia kimabũrũri makoni kugitira maria maturigiciirie ni maundu Kenya ingihota gukinyaniria.
Our shared response to this crisis must line up with global agenda for sustainable development.
Hindi ya igongona riri, Minister wa maria maturigiciirie Deborah Barasa nioritie Akenya guthii na mbere na uhandi wa miti, akiranira ati thirikari no irathii na mbere kuheana migurwa guothe bũrũri-ini.
We need to restore, we need to go out, we need to plant, especially in the rainy seasons. So 30 seedlings kila mmoja wetu anafaa kupanda kila mwaka, 15 in one rainy season and 15 in another.
Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV, gĩtagwo Ngina wa Wadiro.